you ever looked out at the vast, endless ocean and wondered what's really down there? We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own planet's seafloor. Below the sunlit zone, in the crushing, eternal darkness, lie mysteries that baffle even our brightest minds. Today, we were diving deep into the abyss to explore 5 of the most profound enigmas, lurking enigmas, unfathomable depths. So, take a deep breath and let's descend into the unknown. First up, a sound that sent shivers down the spines of oceanographers worldwide. It's called the bloop. In 1997, hydrophones spread across the Pacific Ocean detected a powerful, ultra-low frequency sound. Listen to this. Chilling, right? The sound was so loud it was picked up by sensors over 5,000 kilometers apart. For years, the leading theory was that it had to be a biological source. But whatever made it would have to be a creature far larger than any known animal on Earth, even bigger than a blue whale. The official explanation now is that it was the sound of a massive a giant iceberg cracking and breaking away from an Antarctic glacier. But that explanation doesn't cover everything. Other mysterious sounds have been recorded, like the whistle, slow down, and Julia. Each one is a unique acoustic puzzle from the deep. Are these all just geological events? Or is something else down there calling out from the abyss? The ocean is still keeping that secret. Next, let's talk about giants. We're not just talking about giant squid, which were once thought to be mythical sea monsters. We're talking about something even bigger. For centuries, sailors have told tales of colossal krakens, creatures capable of pulling entire ships beneath the waves. While we can dismiss those as folklore, we can't ignore the evidence that points to megafauna we have yet to officially discover. We have found colossal squid, but the sucker marks and scars found on sperm whales suggest battles with something even larger. Something with tentacles possibly hundreds of feet long. In 2007, a Japanese team filmed a giant squid in its natural habitat for the first time, but it was a relatively small one. The true behemoths remain elusive. Finding a full-grown specimen, or even just a carcass that hasn't been torn apart by is nearly impossible in the vastness of the deep ocean. These creatures live where the pressure is immense and the light is non-existent. We've only explored a tiny fraction of their world. What else is hiding in that darkness, just beyond the reach of our cameras? Now, for a mystery that changes our very understanding of life itself. For the longest time, we believed all life on Earth ultimately depended on sunlight for energy. Then, in 1977, we discovered hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These are like underwater volcanoes, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust, and clustered around these toxic scalding vents was a thriving ecosystem. Giant tube worms with no mouth or stomach, strange crabs, and bizarre shrimp living in total darkness in temperatures that would boil any normal creature. They survive through a process called chemosynthesis, drawing energy not from sunlight but from chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. It was a revelation. It proved that life could exist in the most extreme conditions imaginable. These organisms, called extremif, have since been found in other bizarre places, like cold seeps, where methane bubbles up from the seafloor. This discovery has huge implications for the search for life beyond Earth. If life can thrive in the crushing, toxic deep sea, could it also exist on moons like Europa or Enceladus beneath their icy shells? The deep ocean might just hold the key to finding extraterrestrial life. Our fourth mystery takes us to the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench. Over 11,000 meters down, the pressure is more than 1,000 times what it is at the surface. It's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. Exploring this trench is one of the greatest technological challenges we face. But the few missions that have dared to go down there have come back with puzzling data. During James Cameron's solo dive in 2012, his submersibles hydrophones picked up strange, inexplicable sounds. Other uncrewed expeditions have reported bizarre magnetic anomalies and detected large, fast-moving objects on sonar that couldn't be identified. Some have even reported strange metallic sounds. Are these just undiscovered geological phenomena, tricks of the immense pressure, or equipment malfunctions? Or could they be evidence of something else? Perhaps strange mineral formations, or even something ancient and not of this world, resting at the bottom of the sea. The trench is a place of such extremes that our science is still struggling to make sense of what it is telling us. And finally, we have to talk about the Bermuda Triangle. Okay, I'm just kidding. The real fifth mystery isn't one specific place, but the ocean itself and its mind-boggling influence on our planet. We're talking about things like rogue waves, massive, spontaneous walls of water that can appear out of nowhere and sink even the largest ships. For a long time, they were dismissed as maritime myths, but we now have satellite data confirming they are very real, though we still can't fully predict them. Then there are the Milky Seas, huge areas of the ocean that glow with a strange milky white light at night, visible even from space. Scientists believe it's caused by bioluminescent bacteria, but why they gather in such massive synchronized displays covering thousands of square kilometers remains a complete puzzle. These phenomena show that even the surface of the ocean holds secrets that defy easy explanation, reminding us how much we still have to learn about the engine that drives our planet's climate and harbors its greatest mysteries. So, what's next? The future of deep-sea exploration is incredibly exciting. New autonomous underwater vehicles, advanced sonar systems, and deep-sea drilling projects are being developed right now. Each new mission brings the promise of peeling back another layer of mystery. Will we finally capture clear footage of a truly colossal squid? Will we identify the sources of the ocean's strange sounds? Will we discover life forms that are even weirder than the ones we've already found? We've only just begun to scratch the surface of our own planet's final frontier. The ocean covers over 70% of the Earth, and 95% of it remains completely unexplored, unseen by human eyes. It's a world of wonder, of monsters, and of mysteries waiting to be solved. What do you think is the most compelling mystery of the deep? Share your theories and ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think is lurking down there. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations. Thanks for watching.